Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a place using filters in the Roadtrippers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the map button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the search and explore button at the top of the page. So first just choose what you want to search for, and then click on the filters button at the top of the page on the left. And first you can set the types of places you want to search for within the activities section. For example, cinemas. Next, there are some general filters, like if you need to have a wheelchair accessibility or pets allowed, then just click on that. And then you can set the ratings. So if you want to avoid going to a disappointing place, you can set to the highest rating. And then you can choose if you want parking available or street parking, lot parking. So just click on that. And as you can see with these filters, there are 10 places available. So just click on that, and you will be able to see them in the map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.